How to completely uninstall BlueStacks from your Windows PC. First, open the Windows search box and type Add or Remove Programs, then open it. Once it opens, click on the search bar and type BlueStacks, and all related apps will show up. Now you need to uninstall them one by one. So I'll start with BlueStacks Services. Click on the three dots next to it, then click Uninstall, and again, click Uninstall to confirm. Do the same for the main BlueStacks application as well. Click the three dots, hit Uninstall, then confirm again. And if it asks for permission, click Yes. It might ask for a reason, so just select anything or skip it, and continue uninstalling. The process will start and remove everything step by step, but it doesn't always remove everything completely. Some leftover files can still remain. So once that's done, close Settings and go to this PC, then open the C drive. Go into Program Files and check if there's any BlueStacks folder left. If you find one, delete it. Then also check inside Program Files, x86, and see if any BlueStacks folder is there. If yes, delete that too. If you don't find anything, then you're good to go. And finally, restart your PC once. That's it.